Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain this question. So from the chapter you can take here the area. So areas chapter here 2025 PYQ question. So what is asking the question? See here. From this one we can take here area of the region enclosed by the curves. Here two curves given. One is here y is equal to e power x. Another curve given y is equal to mod e power x minus 1. Two curves are there. We know here. So first I'll plot this graph here. See, y-axis, x-axis. Now e power x graph. So how it is e power x graph? It starts from minus infinity to so like this e power x graph. So this is a graph here e power x graph. Now e power x minus graph e power x minus 1 e power x minus 1 means like this. This graph is like this e power x minus 1. From 0 it will be passing through the 0 like this graph. Now modulus is there. We know modulus means here always it is positive only. Modulus means it is positive. We know here suppose f of x is equal to mod x. Suppose f of x is equal to mod x where x value x positive x where x greater than 0, negative x where x less than 0. X is less than 0 means minus x. So that is positive, positive x, that is positive. Now, what I'll take here, e power x minus 1 modulus means it is positive. It is positive means, so this graph cannot be negative. This graph cannot be e power x minus 1 cannot be negative. So how it is takes here like this. It takes like this. So this is a graph here. So we can take here, this is a graph here, e power x minus 1 means here this is negative side. Negative side means minus x. Minus x means minus of e power x minus 1. So how we can write here 1 minus of e power x, this graph. Now the area, so which area? This area. We have to plot here. This graph has a this area we have to find. So this area, this small area, this area we have to find. Now we have to find this area. I'm taking here completely dark. This area we have to find. So this is also upper curve minus lower curve. Now we can write here. First I want to find here what is the limit? Lower limit, next upper limit. Upper limit we know. So we can take here lower limit is how much we have to find. Next upper limit is 0. So lower limit how much? What I do here from this one, we can take here. So e power x. So y is equal to e power x. So e power x value is equal to here e power x minus 1. So negative side is there. So minus of e power x minus 1 means 1 minus e power x. So what happens here? This minus sent to this side. 2 e power x is equal to 1. E power x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to log to the base 1 by 2. So the base e. X is equal to log 1 by 2 to the base e. So we know here x value. So we can write here, this one we can write again, x is equal to minus log 2 to the base e also we can write. So this value is minus, we can take here minus log 2 value to the base e. Now, so how it starts, integration starts from here, lower limit, this point is lower limit, this is the upper limit. So we can take here, area we have to find, area is equal to, what is the area here? Integration from minus log 2 to 0. Upper curve, what is the upper curve here? So we can take here upper curve minus lower curve. What is the upper curve here? This is upper curve. E power x is the upper curve. E power x minus lower curve. What is the lower curve here? This is the lower curve. 1 minus e power x. 1 minus e power x with respect to dx. Now that is equal to integration of minus log 2 to the 0 e power x minus 1 minus of minus plus e power x with respect to dx. Now that is equal to integration minus log 2 to the 0 e power x plus e power x 2 e power x minus 1 with respect to dx. Now from this one continuation that is equal to 2 into integration of e power x e power x. So lower limit and upper limit, minus log 2 to the value 0. Next, minus integration of 1, so that is here x, minus log 2 to 0. Now that is equal to 2 into upper limit minus lower limit, e power 0, 1 minus of e power minus log 2 minus upper limit 0 minus log 2. Now that is equal to 2 into 1 minus e power minus, if you remove, what happens? Log 1 by 2 to the base e minus of minus plus log 2. Now that is equal to 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into e power log x to the base c. So that is here x. So 1 by 2 plus log 2. So that is equal to 2 2 get cancelled. 2 minus 1 1. 1 plus log 2 to the base e. Is there 1 plus log 2 to the base e here? Yes. Option D is the correct answer. Option D. So very easy question, simple question. What I did here. So this is 1 minus e power x. Why it is 1 minus e power x? This is a modulus. So we can write here. I'll write here again once again. See how we can explain. I can explain this one. See here. Function what is given here? F of x is equal to modulus of e power x minus 1 is equal to, whenever you will get e power x minus 1, otherwise minus of e power x minus 1. Where x is greater than or equal to 0, where x is less than 0. Less than 0 means minus of e power x minus 1. Yes, it is less than 0, you know, x value. X value is not under the positive here, less than 0. X value is less than 0, negative value. Negative value, what we have to take here? Minus e power x minus 1. So minus e power x minus 1 means minus or minus plus 1. 1 minus e power x, that one I have taken here. So this is a graph here, 1 minus e power x. So upper curve minus lower curve. So that is taken here, upper curve minus lower curve. So area, what is the area here? 1 plus log 2 to the base e. This area is here 1 plus log 2 to the base e. That is only asking the question. It's a very easy question. So thank you. Clear?